Alright, so driving along the coast, for some reason, I'm always half expecting Godzilla to just step right out around the corner of this ocean as we're driving down through here. And I grew up around the Godzilla, King Kong era, whatever. So, I'll show you what I mean. And if you don't understand Godzilla or never watched it, well, too bad for you. Here we are in the middle of Touristville, New Zealand. This is a huge attraction. It's only like you drive up in your car and about 5 minutes later you're on this. But it's a suspension bridge. You probably see a lot of videos of this online. It's pretty popular, but I think what makes this unique is the fact that it's a suspension bridge, but it's over this blue water. The water's
pretty fantastic.
Yeah, ridiculous, crazy, beautiful blue. We're gonna go ahead and get off the bridge because we're holding up all the other customers that are coming through. It's not the kind of places that I like to go because there's really no solitude and it's really competitive for space. But I understand, it's tourism. I'm here. I'm a tourist, so I'm partaking in it as well. But usually I like to take the less beaten path. I like to go off the beaten path.
Like the last trail we're on, just a little bit ridiculous.
Yeah.
Nobody was there.
You're not going to see Granny riding her scooter with her oxygen tank on the back. And if you're a Granny with a scooter with an oxygen tank on the back, I mean no disrespect. Just saying. It's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen water quite this before. It almost looks like they dyed it. It's not dyed. We're in a parking lot. Where we camp. And behind us there's a rugby field with lights and everything. That's
Sheep.
Also occupied by sheep. So it's just interesting to kind of, I don't know, the places that we camp and the things that we see. It's interesting. But it's free. Well, it's not really free. This is only $5. Most of the campsites we've stayed at have been free. The ones that are pay are really expensive that we found. And we stayed at one that was, what, $13 per person per night?
Yeah.
So we've had $26, and it was not a very good campsite. We stayed at free ones that were better. So looks like this is where we're at for tonight. It is the best spot we've ever stayed, but we stayed in a car parking lot where somebody hit our van. I think it was a prank, actually. I think it was kids coming in and doing it, but I don't think that's going to happen tonight. We're kind of out in the middle of nowhere. It's an odd place for camping, but hey, we'll do it. $5 a night per person, $10.
And there's sheep. I'm super excited about the sheep. I'd like them to come to me. I don't know what they eat. We'll have to figure that out. I have to go knock on their door and say, hey, what can I feed your sheep? So they come to me.
I don't think they'll come to her no matter what she tries to do.
Okay, so here we are. We found a place to camp that has sheep. I'm super excited. Not the rolling grass hills, but there's sheep. I'm going to attempt to go near one. They seem to run away. We've seen them on this side of the road, so we're hoping that they'll let us get a little bit closer. Maybe we'll pet one.
They're too timid. Most sheep are like this. They herd up, they run away.
I am in a field by sheep. I'm gonna see if I can.
Got some chickens over here. See, one of them's cornering them. Probably isn't a good thing. I mean, I don't know everything there is to know about sheep. But I know that animals don't like to be cornered.
Punched up, scared of me.
Okay, here we go.